Alright, hey YouTube, this is Will Featherwood here. Alright, I got my package from Amazon.com, my Gory Special Edition. I'm gonna open this for you. Alright. Got my Special Edition card and 2 packs. I just opened up the packs. Just the rare. Just the rare. Graceful Charity, a band, hollow, but oh well. I got a right arm of Azalea. Alright, and also here's some cards. I see no stabbing. Here's some cards that, oh my gosh. So here's some cards that I got from my school. I got this and a whole bunch of staples. Alright, those are for trade too. Alright. And watch my trade binder. Let me just finish this. Some band staples too, just to have them, because you never know. Alright, thank you. Alright, peace.